What if I told you I found one of the newest AI content niches, and the crazy part is it's already going insanely viral across social media? Yes, I'm talking about these Rubik's Cube object making videos. They're creative, ridiculously satisfying, and honestly some of the most visually unique AI content I've seen lately. But here's the part that makes this even more interesting. You can create videos like these in less than 5 minutes. No complicated editing, no expensive software, and you don't need to be an AI expert. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact workflow to create them. And by the end, you'll be able to generate your own variations with almost any object or design you can imagine. So make sure you watch until the end because the final step is what turns a simple idea into an actual viral looking video. All right, let's get into it. First, I've created a master prompt specifically for you guys, and you'll find the link in the description. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt and open Claude AI. Once you're inside, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. In just a few seconds, Claude will generate 10 viral Rubik's Cube video ideas for you. You can choose literally any idea you like, but if you want even more options, there's a really simple trick. Just type more and hit send. And just like that, Claude generates another batch of fresh ideas. You can keep doing this as many times as you want until you find an idea that really stands out. For this example, I'm going with number 14, Robot Warrior, so I simply type 14 into the prompt box and hit send. And as you can see, Claude now generates an extremely detailed video prompt specifically designed for that concept. And look at the length of this prompt, it's incredible. I simply copy the entire video prompt carefully, and once it's copied, I open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to video generation mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and make sure you select the OmniFlash video model. Now simply paste the video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. Then just wait at least a minute for the video to finish generating. And there you go, our video's ready. Now take a look at this. The result looks exactly like what we wanted. Creative, detailed, visually satisfying, and the Rubik's Cube transformation makes the whole thing incredibly eye-catching. And the best part is, this is only one idea. Using this exact same workflow, you can create endless variations with completely different objects, shapes, characters, and designs. So instead of spending hours trying to figure out what to create, you can simply generate a new idea, get the prompt, and turn it into a video in just a few minutes. And if you want to get ahead of the competition, now is probably the time to experiment with this niche before everyone starts doing it. So if you found this useful, make sure you subscribe to my channel, AI Excentra, because I'll keep showing you the newest AI niches, tools, and workflows before they become completely saturated. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.